Hello. Welcome to Easy English.
With David and Alice.
Here, we speak English.
Slowly, clearly, and naturally.
Listen
Repeat,
and practice with us.
relax.
And let's start. Hello, everyone. Hello, and welcome. I am David. Thank you for being here with us today.
Hello, David. Hello, everyone. I am Alice. I am happy to be here. I feel calm today.
That is good, Alice. Feeling calm is very important for learning English.
Yes, when I feel calm, I can listen better.
Exactly. Today, we are doing relaxing English listening for beginners. We will go slowly.
Slowly is good for me. Fast English makes me tired.
Many learners feel the same. That is why today is slow English, easy English, gentle English.
Gentle English. I like that phrase.
I like it too. Let us start with small talk. Small talk is simple conversation.
Okay, I like small talk.
How is your day today, Alice?
My day is okay. Not busy, not stressful, just calm.
That sounds nice. What about the weather?
The weather is nice. It is not too hot. It is not cold.
Good. Nice weather helps us relax.
Yes, when the weather is nice, I feel better.
In real life, many people talk about the weather.
Yes, people say, nice day, or it is sunny.
Very good. Those are easy sentences.
Easy sentences help beginners like me.
That is right. Today, you can listen and relax. You do not need to remember everything.
That makes me feel less nervous.
Good. Take a slow breath. Inhale. Exhale.
I am breathing slowly.
Now we are ready to continue.
Yes, I am ready.
Before we go on, we want to say something small to our listeners.
Yes, if you like this calm English, please like the video.
And please subscribe to Easy English with David and Alice.
Subscribing helps you find more relaxing English listening videos.
You can listen every day, morning or evening, anytime.
A little English every day is very good.
Yes, little by little, day by day.
Okay, let us continue.
Alice, what does relaxing English listening mean to you?
For me, it means English that is slow and easy. English that does not push me.
That is a very good answer. Relaxing English does not push you.
It lets me feel comfortable.
Exactly. You can listen while you rest.
Or while I drink tea.
Or while you walk slowly outside.
Yes, I like that.
Let me explain again in simple words. Relaxing English listening means listening without stress.
Without stress. That is important.
You do not need to understand every word.
I often worry about every word.
That is normal, but today you can let that go.
Let it go. Just listen.
Yes, just listen. Again, just listen.
Okay, I will just listen.
Let us use simple words. For example, I am calm.
I am calm.
Again, I am calm.
I am calm.
Good. Another example, I like English.
I like English.
Again, I like English.
I like English.
Very good. Now let us make a small mini story.
I like mini stories. They are easy.
Let's say it is morning.
It is morning.
You wake up slowly.
I wake up slowly.
You say, good morning.
Good morning.
Again, good morning.
Good morning.
You feel hungry.
I feel hungry.
You go to the kitchen.
I go to the kitchen.
You see bread and fruit.
I see bread and fruit.
You say, I want breakfast.
I want breakfast.
Again, I want breakfast.
I want breakfast.
This is daily life English.
Yes, I can understand this easily.
Good. Let us repeat the idea. Simple English is useful in daily life.
Simple English is useful.
Now, let us practice listening with repetition.
Okay, I am ready.
Please repeat after me. I feel relaxed.
I feel relaxed.
Again, I feel relaxed.
I feel relaxed.
Good. Next sentence, I enjoy listening to English.
I enjoy listening to English.
Again, I enjoy listening to English.
I enjoy listening to English.
Very nice. Now, let us imagine real-life situations.
I like imagination.
First, imagine you are at home.
I am at home.
You sit on a chair.
I sit on a chair.
You listen to English on your phone.
I listen to English on my phone.
Again, you listen to English on your phone.
I listen to English on my phone.
You feel calm.
I feel calm.
That is relaxing English listening.
Yes, very relaxing.
Now, another situation. A restaurant.
Okay,
You walk into a restaurant.
I walk into a restaurant.
A waiter says, hello.
Hello.
You say, hello.
Hello.
The waiter says, can I help you?
Can I help you?
You say, yes, please.
Yes, please.
Again, yes, please.
Yes, please.
Very simple, very calm.
I feel confident with this.
Good. Next situation, work.
Okay,
You go to work in the morning.
I go to work.
You see your colleague.
I see my colleague.
You say, good morning.
Good morning.
Again, good morning.
Good morning.
Your colleague says, how are you?
How are you?
You say, I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you.
This is polite and easy English.
Yes, I can use this.
Next situation, shopping.
Shopping is fun.
You go into a shop.
I go into a shop.
You see a shirt.
I see a shirt.
You like the shirt.
I like the shirt.
You ask, how much is it?
How much is it?
Again, how much is it?
How much is it?
Very good. Now, travel.
Travel makes me nervous sometimes.
That is okay. English can help.
Okay,
You are at the airport.
I am at the airport.
You talk to the staff.
You talk to the staff.
You say, hello.
Hello,
They say, can I see your ticket?
can I see your ticket?
You say, yes.
Yes.
Short answers are okay.
That helps me feel calm.
Good. Now let us review slowly.
Okay,
Today, we practiced relaxing English listening for beginners.
relaxing English listening for beginners.
We listened slowly.
Slowly.
We repeated simple sentences.
Repetition helps me learn.
We used daily life situations.
Home, restaurant, work, shopping, travel.
Very good. Remember, English does not need to be fast.
Slow English is okay.
And mistakes are okay.
That makes me feel better.
Before we say goodbye, let me ask you one small question.
Okay,
When do you like to listen to English? In the morning or at night?
I like listening at night.
That is nice. Think about your answer too, dear listener.
Yes, think slowly.
Thank you for listening with us today.
Thank you. I feel peaceful.
Keep listening, keep practicing, be kind to yourself.
See you next time.
Goodbye. Take care.